Alright, so we're back with another one of these antique radio things. This one is from a 1947 Chrysler Windsor. This belongs to my boss. I still have the 48 Plymouth radio sitting over there, but basically that kind of got me the work of working on this one. So, yeah, that's the schematic. Where is it? Oh, there it is. The other schematic. This is a Colonial. The 48 Plymouth radio is made by Philco. They are, I mean, they look physically similar, but internally they're completely different. This is single-ended. The other one's push-pull, which basically means this has about half the audio output that the other one does. This one uses a cold cathode rectifier. The other one uses a 6-volt, I forget what it is off the top of my head, 7 something or other. It's some full wave rectifier, Lochtel style. This is a little Sylvania, little peanut looking thing. Cold cathode jobby. It's a 0Z4. But this one still has a mechanical vibrator. I don't know if you can hear it buzzing away back there. But this still has the... It's not the original. It's a Mallory replacement from I have absolutely no idea when. Here's the bag of parts that came out of it. The filter can was not original. It had been replaced by Boss's dad at some point, but it was leaky and ailing because, well, it's old. This can was made in 1967, and Mike tells me it was probably put together sometime in the early 90s. So this was, 15 odd years old at that point. So yeah, 25 years old at that point. Yeah, I can do math. But yeah, the rest is just, old wax caps, and somewhere in here is the buffer cap. I think that's the buffer cap right there with the ends half blown out of it. That's what makes the vibrator supply work properly. These are the little paper end caps that went on these guys. A bunch of off-value resistors, nothing that you wouldn't expect for a radio made in 1947, basically. But
these guys were...
It works pretty good now. It's still AM, so of course your programming is very limited. But yeah, so that's it. This is a... What is this, a 7-tube set? No, it's a 6. 6-tube set with a 260 kc IF strip. I do not have a generator that'll align at 260, so this is not aligned. This is, as done by the factory in 1947 or whenever the last time someone touched it. It seems to be fine. It doesn't look like it's been messed with, so I'm going to leave it alone. So, anyway, thanks for watching. Have a fine day.